Okay guys, it is day 7. We have finally completed our 1-week experiment with these cut flowers, testing out 6 popular methods for keeping your cut flowers looking fresh the longest. You can see over here there are several that didn't even hold up a week. So let's look at these. These were just our leftovers that I cut on the same day that I cut these other 6. And they have just been hanging out in here in just plain old water. So I was using these as kind of a comparison. And I mentioned yesterday that flower C right here seems to look similar to those. This one's getting there. So we can definitely say that these 3 didn't even last a week. So what are your guesses on these? Which 3 do you think these are? And then coming over here, this one definitely looks the best, I think, because this one's starting to lose some color right in here. And then obviously this one's been losing color for a couple of days. So here is how it looks kind of on the sides. They look similar on the sides, I think. So post your guesses which one you think looks the best out of these 2, first of all. Do you think A or B wins it? I say A, but what do you guys think? And then let's go ahead and reveal these guys. So if you watched day 2, you already know which one this is. This is the aspirin. And remember, this has only been 7 days since we did this experiment. So after 7 days, this is what aspirin did to this poor flower. I mean, I guess if you're going for a fall look, that would be okay. Okay, day 7 for this one. What is this one? This is the sugar vinegar. So, I mean, if you want a tie-dyed look, it's kind of cool looking. It's not healthy, but it's kind of cool looking. Okay, what do you think this one is? This is D. What do you think D is? I kind of like how it turned a little purplish. It's like purple pink, kind of an ombre. So this one is the flower food. Wow, you would have thought the flower food would have been one of the better ones. Look at this, guys. The ones that were just in water, they're doing better than the flower food. That's interesting, right? That's really something to think about. Okay, so this one that matches the plain old water one, kind of matches. I mean, the plain water looks a little bit better than this one does, but they've kind of been aging on a similar timeline, I think. So what do you think this one is? Let me know. What is C? Post it in the comments. C is what? The copper pennies. So if you guessed copper pennies for C, you're right. So what does that leave us down here for A and B? What do you think these are? What do you think the winner is going to be? Let me know. So we'll reveal B is the Sprite. That is shocking. I really didn't think the Sprite, wow, I really didn't think the Sprite would be good for the flowers. I guess the carbonation and the sugar is good for the flowers, huh? That's interesting. Okay, so what's left? Do you know? Guess there's a reason why florists put their flowers in the fridge, right? So clearly, refrigerating them is definitely the best method. If you guys enjoyed this experiment and would like for us to try any other experiments, please let us know in the comments. And stay tuned because we've got a fun compost series that may be out tomorrow, but definitely will be out very, very soon. And then after that, we will begin our Christmas gift making series. So stay tuned for those. We've got a lot of fun projects we've been working on for you guys. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.